Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect Zapier with GoHighLevel. Before starting the video, I want to tell you that GoHighLevel is very limited when it comes to Zapier. First of all you have to do is click on Zap. Now we have two options here, trigger and action. So what I will do, I will click on trigger. From here, if I search GoHighLevel, for example, I will select GoHigh. There is no GoHighLevel support in the Zapier. What you can do is Zapier supports lead connector. If I search that, you will see lead connector just right here. You can click that. A new page will open once again. So what you can do is trigger an event of pipeline stage changed. So you can only do connect Zapier through this if the pipeline stage has changed and you are limited only to this. So I will click on it, and for the actions tab I can select anything. For example, I can search for Google Sheets. I will select Google Sheets and my event will be, for example, you can select any event, create spreadsheet, create worksheet, or I can select update spreadsheet row. So if the pipeline stage changed in the lead connector, what it will do, it will update my spreadsheet on Google Sheets. That's why you are limited, because you can only for the action of if pipeline stage has changed. So there is no GoHighLevel support for Zapier. So that's how you can connect Zapier with GoHighLevel. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.